Hey everyone, this is Angela, and for our simple, fast fall craft today, we're going to take this wicker basket. I got mine at a Goodwill bin store, but it actually came originally from Hobby Lobby, and they're very inexpensive, and you can pick them up at Hobby Lobby for, if they're half price, about $2, I think. So I took it, and then I took a piece of ribbon that I got from Dollar Tree, and I just folded it over and dovetailed the ends of it. I cut my ribbon to the length of my little basket. Then I just took a little bit of hot glue and hot glued that little ribbon to my basket. Next, I took this cute little pumpkin patch sign and put just a little bit of glue on the back of it and also attached it to the ribbon. I just printed this out from my computer. You could take any kind of little pumpkin patch sign that you can find online, or you can make your own. This next part is kind of funny because I needed some hay and I did not have any, or some moss or anything like that, but I didn't have any. So I went outside to my own yard and found some dead grass and I pulled the grass out and used it in my craft. Now that's being creative and using what you have and being resourceful. So this is just dead grass from my yard. I just kept applying it until I pretty much had the paper covered. Then I just simply put hot glue on the back of my paper and glued it to my basket. I picked up these little pumpkins at Dollar Tree. It actually comes with 6 of them, but I've already used some for another project. So I took these and I took the little twine that's in the bottom of it. I took those out and then I just placed those inside the little basket and then hot glued them down in the places where I wanted them. And that is it. This fast and easy fall decor piece comes together so quickly. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.